Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to use Google to find if the surface is aligned properly in horizontal or vertical in Android and iOS. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see on the left side I have an Android smartphone, and on the right side I have an iOS smartphone, that is the iPhone. So if you're having any one of this, still the tricks will remain the same. Say on the Android smartphone, just open the Google application, or you can use a Chrome web browser or any other web browser also, and just visit to the google.com, and in the search bar just search for one name, bubble level. Just search this name, bubble level, just scroll down below, and now you will see here a bubble is appearing red. So by using this bubble level, which is present inside the Google application, you can use it to find the surface is aligned horizontally or vertically or not. So let me place it on the table. So you can just adjust it whether your table is aligned perfectly in the horizontal or vertical or not. So let me bring one surface here. So here is one surface, so you can use it for the vertical position also. So as you can see here, so you can just align it. You can see here if it is aligned vertically or horizontally or not. So you can see here. So just let us place this properly. So once it turn into 0, then it is perfectly aligned. So let me try to make it in 0. So once this value becomes 0, that means it is aligned properly and horizontally or vertically. So similarly in the iPhone devices also, just open the Google application or any other web browser you can use. Just visit to the google.com and just similarly search the same application, bubble level. And now you can see here, and now just click on this touch to activate. Click on allow. Now it will use the motion sensor. Now you can align it, or you can align it in the vertical way also. So by using this inbuilt bubble level present inside the Google application, you can easily find the surface is aligned properly in horizontal or vertical in Android and iOS very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.